Did you know that 6 out of 10 people who win the lottery go broke within 5 years? That's right. Having money isn't the same as knowing how to keep it. Because wealth isn't about income, it's about wisdom. In this video, we'll reveal 10 shocking yet life-changing money truths, drawn straight from the world's best books. These aren't just tips, they're rules for survival in today's financial jungle. Stick around because what you learn in the next few minutes can reshape your financial destiny. Lesson number 1. Pay yourself first. From the book, The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. Every time you earn, pay yourself before anyone else. Set aside 10% before spending a single rupee. How to apply? Set up an automatic transfer of 10% of your income to a savings or investment account on payday. If you earn $1,000, that's $100 to your future self, non-negotiable. Lesson number 2. Money is a game. Learn the rules. From the book, Money Master the Game by Tony Robbins. Most people play the money game blindfolded. The wealthy, they master the rules, diversification, risk management, and automation. How to apply? Start with a budgeting app. Learn basic investment terms like ETFs and mutual funds. Automate your monthly investments using a SIP, systematic investment plan, or mutual fund portal. Lesson number 3. Buy assets, not just stuff. From the book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Poor people buy liabilities they think are assets. The rich invest in things that make money while they sleep. How to apply? Instead of buying a new iPhone on monthly installments, consider putting that money into a rental property, down payment, stock portfolio, or even a self-published book like I did in Decode Your Destiny that generates passive income. Lesson number 4. Track every penny you spend. From the book Your Money or Your Life by Vicki. People don't have money problems, they have awareness problems. How to apply it in your life? For 1 month, track every expense and ask, is this worth the hours of my life I spent earning it? This shifts your mindset from consumption to conscious financial control. Use an app or a notebook. You'll be shocked how small leaks sink big ships. Lesson number 5. Time is your greatest ally. From the book The Psychology of Money by Housel. Compounding is the 8th wonder of the world, but only for those who wait. How to apply? Start investing 10% of your monthly income at age 25. By 45, you'll likely have more wealth than someone who starts at 35 and invests double that. The secret? Time, not money. Lesson number 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. From the book The Millionaire Next Door by Stanley. Most millionaires don't look rich, they just live below their means. How to follow? Got a salary raise? That's great. Keep your lifestyle the same for 6 months. Invest the difference. That's what separates lasting wealth from temporary status. Lesson number 7. Build an emergency fund before you need it. From the book I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit. Sethi. One car accident, one job loss, and your entire financial system crashes. Emergencies don't announce their arrival. Your finances should be ready before they knock. How to be safeguarded? Start by saving just $50, about the cost of a weekend trip or a dinner out with friends. Gradually grow it until you've covered 3 to 6 months of essential expenses like rent, groceries, and bills. Keep it in a separate savings account, easy to access but away from daily temptations. Remember, a flat tire or a hospital visit shouldn't turn into a financial disaster. Lesson number 8. Let the market work for you. From The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. Most professional investors can't beat the market, so why try to outsmart it? Or why gamble with your money when the math says you'll lose? How to apply? Instead of picking individual stocks or timing the market, put your money in something called an index fund, a simple investment that follows the performance of the whole market, like the S&P 500 in the US or the KSE 100 in Pakistan. It's like buying a small slice of hundreds of companies at once. Look for one with low fees, invest a fixed amount regularly, and let it grow over time. No stress, no guesswork, just smart investing. Lesson number 9. Invest in memories, not just things. From the book Die with Zero by Bill Perkins. When you're 80, you won't remember the phone you used, but you'll never forget the trip you took with your kids or the time you surprised your parents. How to avoid such a situation? Set aside a memory budget, say $100 a month or as per your income, not for gadgets or clothes, but for experiences. Plan a weekend road trip, take your children to a place they've never seen, or treat your loved ones to something meaningful. These are the moments that shape a life, because real wealth isn't in what you own, it's in what you feel and remember. Lesson number 10. Wealth begins in the mind. From one of my favorite books, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. If you believe you can't get rich, you're already right. How to get rich? Write down your financial goals daily. Visualize success. Replace "I can't afford this" with "How can I afford this?" Your thoughts are your compass. The rich don't have better luck. They have better habits. Apply just one of these lessons today, and your future self will thank you. If this opened your eyes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to BrainWatch, where smart minds evolve. Thank you for watching.